I got a lot going on over here. I'm guessing I'm not the only one, but it's a lot. Don't get spaced out on your cell phone. It's not a good time of year to do that. Be naive, be freely inspired. This is how the clarity starts to appear. And it's not an accomplishment. Clarity is not an accomplishment of like, oh, look at my clarity. It's not like that. It's just a fresh, cold breeze that just wafts in, and you're like, oh, thank you, God. A moment of seeing clearly. How delightful. May I please have some more? Like that. It's like that kind of fresh, natural quality of yin, which is tolerant and without judgment and clinging and aparigraha, clinging onto it. I think that you meditating means not having a thought. That's aggressive, right? More like an aggressive yang quality. So this chinad is showing the shifting relationship of receding, Liming would say collapsing yang, and the ascending yin. Yin is coming down from the heavens, and the yang is coming from the earth, and it's descending. This is how the great change is happening right now.